Good morning. My name is Doreen Murray, and I've been coming to North Oaks Church for probably 11 years, 12 years. I am a member of the church. The last time I came to the church, besides Sunday on my telephone, I came in on the end of January, the last week of January. I had a fall and was picked up by the ambulance and taken to the hospital. That was the last time, the end of January. Absolutely, every Sunday on my telephone. I don't miss a day unless my telephone wants to do it. It's not very nice sometimes. I have prayed every Sunday for my return to the church. I just love it so dearly and the people, and I was every Sunday I would watch, and then I'd say, I want to be there too. And of course, a lot of the time, nobody was here, so I'm happy to be back. That was my one prayer since January, and I had someone offer to pick me up and bring me today, since I'm not driving cars anymore. I love this church, and I love being here. And like I said, I prayed every Sunday that I would be back, because that is one place you want to be on a Sunday. It's a family, and they do very well for you. Don't ever be afraid. The family of this church is what brought me through. Every week, I'd get a card from somebody or a card from a group, and it makes you feel so good knowing that you're wanted. And they always call and ask if there's anything that they can do for you. They would bring me my communion things for Sundays. Don't be afraid to come to this church. I have never been afraid. Everybody will love you and hug you and welcome you.